Hey everyone, Troy here. This is Living Hope by Phil Wickham, but it's the Crosspoint Church version. I've really grown to love this version of the song. I think they've done some really cool things with it. And one of the special things about the Christian community and our churches is that we get to share these songs. Phil Wickham, writes some amazing stuff, but the worship artists, they don't lay claim to their songs. They want the churches to proclaim these as truths about Jesus. And this song in particular has some really, really, really cool stuff in it. Very biblical lyrics. And I want to share with you from 1 Peter 1, 3 through 9, which I've actually put up during this song, but I'm just going to read it to you really quick. Blessed be the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ. According to his great mercy, he has caused us to be born again to a living hope through the resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead, to an inheritance that is imperishable, undefiled, and unfading, kept in heaven for you, who by God's power are being guarded through faith for a salvation ready to be revealed in the last time. In this you rejoice, though now for a little while, if necessary, you have been grieved by various trials, so that the tested genuineness of your faith, more precious than gold that perishes though it is tested by fire, may be found to result in praise and glory and honor at the revelation of Jesus Christ. Though you have not seen him, you love him. Though you do not now see him, you believe in him, and rejoice with joy that is inexpressible and filled with glory, obtaining the outcome of your faith, the salvation of your souls. If you guys follow me on Instagram, or you follow this channel, or on any of my social media accounts, you know that I'm always stressing that our greatest blessing is salvation. And we play guitar in church to bring the Lord's people joy, but to bring salvation as well to those that do not know Jesus, because that's the gift that we've been given. And I love this verse because it tells us that the outcome of our faith is the salvation of our souls. And Jesus is our living hope for the salvation of our souls. So this song is going to become a declaration for the churches for years to come. Really happy to cover it, the Crosspoint version. Here we go. Hope you guys enjoy it.